Hi children, welcome back. So we are moving on to video number 3. In this video we will be discussing about multiples and common multiples. What are multiples, children? What are multiples? Multiple of a whole number is a product of a number and any counting number, that is the normal tables, the multiplication tables. If I ask you write down the multiples of 2, what you have to do? You have to write down the multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 12, sorry 8, okay, 2 fives are 10. So what are the multiples over here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It goes on. So it is normally the tables, right? So when I ask you to write the multiples, multiples mean what? A multiple of a whole number is a product of a number and any counting number. That is, you multiply two numbers. Product means what? Answer. So when you multiply these numbers, the number what you get, that is a multiple of a given number. Okay. Now you have to follow some rule. There are some properties of multiples. A number is a multiple of itself. You take 5. 5 into 1 you get 5 itself, right? So I can say 5 is a multiple of 5 itself. A number is a multiple of itself. Then every number is a multiple of 1. You can multiply all the numbers by 1, right? So every number is a multiple of 1. Then every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. In the case of factors, what did we say? All the factors of a number will be less than or equal to that number, right? But when it comes to multiple, all the multiples of a number will be more than or equal to the number. Now take the case of 2 itself. What were the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, it goes on. All the multiples are greater than 2 or it is equal to 2, right? It is greater than 2 or it is equal to 2. That is what they are telling here. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. And the last point, there is no end for multiples that you can find for a particular number. Is there an end? You can get lots of multiples in that. The number of multiples is infinite. For 2's multiple, will you stop at 2 tens are 20? No, you can get 2 into 11, 22 you are getting. 2 into 12, 24. It goes on, right? So there is no end for multiples. So what we can say, factors are finite numbers, multiples are infinite. Factors are finite, that is limited, and multiples are not limited, they are infinite. You can get as much multiples that you want. Okay. So these are the few things that you have to know about multiples, and we know how to find out multiples. Multiples means just multiplying by 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes on. Just multiply, you get the multiples. That is the tables itself, right? So now I am not going to go to questions of finding out multiples, but straight away I am going into common multiples. Find the 3 common multiples of the following numbers. So first what you have to do, children, first you have to find out the multiples of 5. First question was 5 and 10. So first find out the multiples of 5. So the multiples of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 six are 35, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. For the time being I will stop over here. If I need I will write it further. Now which are the multiples of 10? Multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. Those also I am stopping it for the time. What is the question they have asked you? Find out the 3. Find the 3 common multiples of the following numbers. Children, you can write it over here. First 3 common multiples. If I give you just 3 common multiples, you can write any 3 common multiples. But I want you to write down the first 3 common multiples. So find the first 3 common multiples of the following numbers. Okay, so I got the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, it goes on. and the multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. So I want the first three common multiples. So tell me children, which are the common multiples here? The first three. Which one is the first one? Yes, I have 10 here. Second, I have 20. Third, I have 30. So first three common multiples are 20, 20, 30. There are more common multiples. Which are they? You have 40 here, you have 50, 60 will be a common multiple, 70 will be a common multiple, 80 will be a common multiple. Okay, all these are common multiples, but first they asked you only the first three common multiples. So 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so this is with two numbers. I'll show you another question with three numbers. Okay, right. Multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? We can start. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Let me stop for the typing. Now, multiples of 2. Which are the multiples of 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. I'll write bit furthermore 20, after that 22, 24, then I have 26, 28, 30. Okay. Shall we stop here? If needed, we will extend more. Okay. Now multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, I'll stop over here children. Now we'll find out the first three common multiples. Okay, see whether we'll get it. If not, we'll need to extend. Okay, common multiples. It should be common in all the three. It should be common in all the three. Find out. What about 2? 2 is not there in 3 and 4's table. Okay, 3 is not coming, 4 is not coming, 6 is not there. What else can you see children? What about 12? The first common multiple. Yes, we have got 12, right? So 12 is common in all the three numbers. So I'll start with 12. The first common multiple is 12. Now next one, second one. Can you find out anything? Second one children? Yes, I have got 24. 24 is there common in all the three. Yes, 24. Now, after 24, there it's only till 30. 30 is not, it's over here in 2's table, but 30 is not coming in 4's table. So what we can do? Shall we extend a few more? I am extending 3's table. After 30, I have 33. After 33, I have 36. Here, 2's table, 32, 34, 36. I have 36 over here. So, my common multiple, third one is 36. So, the first common multiple is 12, second one is 24, third one is 36. Now, children, I will give you an easier way to find out a common multiple. See, first question, which are the common multiples you got? 10, 20, 30. What can you notice from this? It is a table of 10, right? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. Next common multiple will be 10 fours are 40. Next one will be 10 fives are 50. So, if you get the first one correctly, rest of the multiples is easy for you to find out. Similarly, find out the next one. Which were the common multiples here? 12, 24, 36. These numbers are coming in which table? 12's table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. The next common multiple will be 48. If you want, you can extend and find out and see. Next common multiple will be 48. So once you get the first common multiple, it is easy for you to find out the rest of the common multiples. Okay? So this was a question with 3 numbers. I'll give you 2 questions for homework. Question C 6 and 9 and question D 10 and 20. I want you to find out the first 3 common multiples of this 2 particular questions. Okay children? Thank you.